For the remainder of class, you're going to work on your portfolio problem and unusual pattern. Please keep this after the class because you're going to have other additional times to work on it throughout the rest of this unit. So the portfolio problem, an unusual pattern, starts out by showing us the following pattern. It's got green dots, blue dots, and yellow dots, and you can see the pattern here. And there are lots of different quantities that are changing, and it suggests a few. The number of green circles, or the total number of blue circles, or orange circles, or the total number of circles at all, or perhaps some ratios, like the ratio of blue circles to green circles, or the percentage of circles that are orange. And you can choose other quantities as well. These are just some that are suggested for you. You can choose some quantities as well. Now, pick at least 4 quantities. You can pick more than 4, and if you complete 4, then pick a 5th one and a 6th one. There are lots of different quantities to investigate. And for each of those quantities, you need to do the following things. You need to predict the value of a faraway number like figure 50. So tell how many of whatever one you're doing. If you're doing green circles, well, how many green circles are going to be at step 50? If you're going to do a percentage of orange circles, what's the percentage going to be at step 50? You need to show your work and explain your reasoning. You need to create a graph. I would strongly suggest you do this in Desmos, but if you want to do it by hand, you certainly can. And then you need to interpret that graph. For instance, explain what the graph tells you about the nature of the quantities changing. So you need to do all of those things. And then finally, you need to write at least 3 interesting things that you discovered while you worked to solve this problem. So this is going to take you at least the remainder of this class, if not more likely beyond. And again, if you finish everything you've done, you think, for 4 quantities, then pick a 5th one and a 6th one. There's literally an infinite amount of work to do here, and you're going to spend your class time efficiently working on it.